Meet the new mid-range king, the Samsung Galaxy A56 5G. This device features a premium design, a powerful camera, and long-term software support to keep you updated for years to come. This video explores 4 key reasons why the Galaxy A56 dominates its segment: its premium aesthetics, uncompromised performance, high-quality camera system, and future-proof longevity. Experience premium style with a slim 7.4mm design and a durable metal frame. It comes in 3 stunning colors: awesome midnight blue, awesome olive, and awesome violet glow. Built to last, the Galaxy A56 features Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus for superior scratch and drop resistance, a reinforced metal frame, and an IP67 rating for water and dust protection. Enjoy vivid visuals on the 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Plus, the 5000 mAh battery provides long-lasting power for up to 2 days. Under the hood, the 4nm Exynos 1580 processor drives this phone, delivering faster CPU performance, improved gaming graphics, and a larger vapor cooling chamber to keep things running smoothly. Capture every moment with a versatile camera system. It includes a 50-megapixel main lens with optical image stabilization, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, a 5-megapixel macro lens, and 4K video recording. Refine your content with built-in AI editing tools. Use Object Eraser to clean up backgrounds, ensure perfect group shots with best face, and apply professional touches with auto trim and instant slow-mo. This phone is a future-proof investment, offering 5 generations of OS upgrades, 5 years of security updates, and the robust protection of Samsung Knox Vault. Customers are loving the Galaxy A56, highlighting its excellent camera quality, smooth performance, and stunning design. It remains a top-rated choice for those seeking a premium experience. Don't miss the Freedom Sale. You can claim this device at a significant discount today. Check out our no-cost EMI options to get yours now.